Now, we invite President-elect Mr. Wong Soon Hong for his acceptance speech. Over to you, Mr. Wong Soon Hong.
Good evening, fellow Rotarians, Honorable District Governor Raja Mohan Munisami, and President Tan Peng An. It is my greatest honor to be nominated for the club's president post for the year 2021 and 2022. Thank you very much for your kind support. Rotary is formed with a vision to see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe, communities, and in ourselves. Of course, this vision is armed by the 5 core values of Rotary: fellowship, integrity, diversity, service, and leadership. In summary, Rotarians are people of actions where we put service before self. Though Rotary Club of Mount Sophia is a young club, but through the dedicated leadership and determination of President Tan Peng An, the club has moved on to a new level of service for the community. Many meaningful and impactful programs have been launched during the period of 2020 and 2021, namely Disability Not Inability, or in short, the DNI movement. Graphic Xiangqi, promoting peace and harmony among different communities. Sustainable food cultivation for the communities. Videos for intergenerational promotion, etc. And of course, not forgetting the support and guidance of District Governor Raja Mohan Munisami. Thank you. As the forthcoming president of 2021 and 2022, the new board and myself will continue to strive on the good works passed on and will implement more exciting and impactful programs for the club. To ensure the success of the club and its programs, full support and participation from fellow Rotarians of Mount Sophia is equally important and very critical. On behalf of the new board, we truly appreciate your presence tonight, and we hope it will inspire every one of us to actively participate in our programs. Thank you. I would like now to request our new District Governor, Dolly Ip, to present her message. Thank you.
Hello, my dear fellow Rotarians. I'm Dolly Yap. I'm the incoming District Governor. Thank you for inviting me to this auspicious occasion of the Rotary Club of Mount Sophia handing over ceremony. I'm indeed honored to be given the opportunity to say a few words. Let me congratulate President-elect Wong Soon Hong and his board members for taking up the leadership roles of your club, especially during this pandemic when we are faced with so many challenges and uncertainties. I remember meeting President Tan Peng An and President-elect Wong Soon Hong in Singapore. They were both introduced to me by District Governor Raja Mohan. I'm indeed blessed and honored to have met you both before I left Singapore. President-elect Shekhar Mehta, our Rotary International President-elect Shekhar Mehta, addressed his district governor as the movers. And may I invite all of you too to be movers, and together we adopt his guiding mantra, do more and grow more. He said, friends, do more has in bigger and impactful service project. Grow more has increasing our membership and expanding our participation. As one of the active club in our district, I say active because I knew that you have increased your membership from 10 to 21. I am confident that with this guiding mantra, you will continue to excel in your community's project, your generous contribution to the Rotary Foundation, and will continue to provide that strong support to the district community service as well as in the many organized activities and functions. I would like to congratulate President Tan Peng An and the outgoing board for a great year of service despite having faced many obstacles in this difficult situation. I understand that you were not able to carry out some of your projects due to the pandemic. At my governor's banquet speech, I mentioned that my dream has been shattered by this pandemic, but not my heart, because of the strong Rotary spirit in me. I'm sure this goes the same with you. We are in one big family in Rotary. The flame of our Rotary spirit keeps on burning, motivating us to reach out to our community in needs, despite the challenges facing us. Rotary is a beautiful organization. I'm very proud to be a Rotarian. In this Rotary journey of mine, I find that Rotary is a place to be, for it has changed my life. Rotary giving, we change the lives of others. Rotary, I believe, is good for the heart and soul. I wish you all the best. Together as a team, we have the power and the magic to change lives. Let us be motivated, inspired, and encouraged to grow more and do more. I salute each and every one of you for your total devotion, commitments, and endurance. It's always my honor and privilege to have the opportunity to serve with you. May you all continue serving to change lives of others. Thank you.
We have come to the official installation ceremony, which is the presentation of jewel from Mr. Tan Peng An to Mr. Wong Soon Hong. The jewel represents the presidentship of the holder. President Tan Peng An will present the jewel now to incoming President Wong Soon Hong.
Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Incoming President Wong Soon Hong will now present to President Tan Peng An a memento for his contributions for the past year.
Thank you, President Tan.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Yes.
President Soon Hong, this is a little gift for you.
Thank you.
Jesslyn, this is a little gift for you for being the secretary.
Thank you.
Angeline, this is a little gift for you for being the treasurer.
The incoming president will present the incoming secretary, Jesslyn Lin, a certificate of appointment. Next, the incoming president will present the incoming treasurer, Angeline Kong, her certificate of appointment. For the year 2020 to 2021, we have raised some funds that would be presented to Miss Michelle Tan of the Gladulous Place.
A gift for Gladulous Place.
Thank you very much, RCMS.
This is the end of the installation ceremony. Thank you.